Hey everyone! Ready to turn your front yard into the talk of the town? Today I'm thrilled to share some stunning ideas to transform your front yard into a floral paradise. Get ready to make your neighbors green with envy. To start, here's an inspiring scripture. The flowers appear on the earth, the season of singing has come. And maybe some off-key humming from your neighbor. And remember, a garden is a grand teacher. It teaches patience and careful watchfulness. And how to fend off those pesky squirrels. Now let's dive into these beautiful front yard flower bed designs. Grab your trowel and let's get digging. First up, we have the minimalist design. This style uses clean lines and simple plant choices like ornamental grasses and succulents. Perfect for those who like their gardens like their coffee, strong and simple. Think of sleek stone borders and a monochromatic palette blacks, whites, and greens to create a serene, uncluttered look. Next, the Y cottage garden. Imagine a burst of color with roses, foxgloves, and delphiniums. It's like a rainbow exploded in your yard. The layout is informal and layered, giving your yard a dreamy, whimsical feel. Think fairy tale, but with fewer dragons. Add a rustic picket fence, and you're all set. Just watch out for the occasional gnome. For a more structured look, consider the formal garden style. Symmetry is key here, with neatly trimmed boxwoods and classic blooms like tulips and lilies. It's like your garden went to finishing school. Stone pathways and elegant urns add a touch of sophistication. Fancy enough for a garden party with the queen. Now let's talk about the wildflower design. This one's all about natural beauty with a mix of native flowers like coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and asters. It's like Mother Nature's own bouquet. It's low maintenance and perfect for attracting butterflies and bees. And maybe a few curious neighbors. The rustic design is another favorite. Think of sunflowers, daisies, and zinnias, bordered by weathered wood or stone. It's like a cozy country cottage in bloom. It gives off a cozy, welcoming vibe, like a farmhouse in bloom. Just add a rocking chair and some sweet tea. Next, we have the tropical design. Lush, vibrant plants like hibiscus, bird of paradise, and palms create a resort-like feel. Who needs a vacation when you have this? Add some large decorative rocks and mulch for that extra tropical touch. Just don't forget the sunscreen. The Zen garden is perfect if you're looking for tranquility. Use plants like Japanese maples and bamboo, combined with gravel paths and water features like small ponds or fountains. It's like having a spa in your front yard. It's a peaceful retreat right at your doorstep. Namaste, garden lovers. For those who love symmetry and precision, the geometric design is ideal. Think of plants arranged in squares, rectangles, or circles. It's like a math lesson, but way more fun. Use colorful annuals like begonias and petunias to fill these shapes, and add some neat hedges to frame the design. Geometry never looks so good. The English garden offers a classic, timeless beauty. Roses, lavender, and peonies are the stars here, with a mix of perennials and annuals for continuous blooms. It's like Downton Abbey, but with more flowers. Stone paths and wrought iron features add to the charm. Just imagine sipping tea in this beauty. If you're short on space, the vertical garden is a fantastic option. Use wall-mounted planters and trellises to grow climbing plants like clematis and ivy. It's like your garden is reaching for the stars. It's a great way to maximize your space and add greenery. Finally, the Mediterranean design. Think of drought-tolerant plants like lavender, rosemary, and olive trees. It's like a vacation in the Mediterranean, minus the airfare. Terracotta pots, gravel paths, and stone walls complete this sun-soaked look. Just add some olives and a glass of wine. Remember, the key to a stunning flower bed is choosing plants suitable for your yard's sunlight and soil conditions. And maybe a little bit of luck. Keep them well watered, and don't forget regular maintenance like deadheading and pruning. Your plants will thank you. I hope these designs inspire you to create a beautiful front yard. And maybe win the unofficial neighborhood garden competition. If you love these ideas, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Your garden will thank you. Happy gardening, and see you in the next one. Don't forget your sunscreen.